How to fix sound problem on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as it helps the channel grow. This works for both iOS and Android. So there are two steps that you have to follow. First, you open your Play Store or your App Store and you check for Pinterest. Once you check Pinterest, make sure there is no current update and it shows an open option here. Once it shows an open option, that means you have lately updated it. The second step that you have to do is you have to go to your settings, and once you open your settings you will find multiple options, but you have to click on apps and you have to click on Pinterest. Once Pinterest is opened, you have to click on storage and cache and you have to click on clear cache. Here I have already cleared cache, but if you have your mail address and your login credentials which you remember, you can also click on clear storage. Once you do both of the steps, mostly the sound problem in your Pinterest will be fixed. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.